The video them in my phone.
Why me delete them to disgust in my woman?
I couldn't believe me see it one time. It's in my phone still, you know.
Me nah give no bone. Better me stick to the evil, me know.
God, boy.
Like the man, you know, crapper. Like the man, me say crapper. All the assistant of mine come out like a batty man come out.
And you know what? And them can't say them no know say the man that Dolly is a man because Dolly has showed the hood too.
Listen, crapper,
and them,
a long time me not see two
them know.
You know normally, you don't let me not see people that put out sodomite. Me can't hear nothing about sodomite.
DYEMA, I don't really come over here and play games, and you know, I just know about rankers through when the people them put them up.
So me no I don't really think see a lie. I be a liar.
Well, I'm gonna ask you a question as a ranker.
Hold me, I don't know why you do out.
DYEMA, listen to me good, please. Thank you. So there's a guy named Bossed.
Where you call him? Why do?
Because you're a ranker and he's a ranker. And he's arguing over a female named Snowy and saying that's a woman. Do we know that's a man in a real life like we all know the transgender?
I don't know about that in the comment now. You not bring down my friend.
Okay. You keep on say bring down, I'm asking you a question.
I don't know about that. Okay. I don't know about that because
that's why I said you're a ranker. I'm a ranker.
If it's a man and the whole ranker, then when they shoot first, so everybody get bring down.
Okay, but that you don't know says a man though, right?
I don't know about that. I want 3 different snow on the app.
No. You see, the thing is, some people come over TikTok and I notice they have a whole new life over here.
The snow when they start with trick the artist, brother, is not that snow. And say
it's a different one? So it's a different one.
I tell you, say it's not that snow.
Okay, you hear what I said? I'm asking you.
It's not that snow.
Okay.
Look at me, the business about nobody business. If they worry about me, man, and tell me life and the name. I don't care what nobody they talk about England.
No, your business about the name fight done come about already. You know about name already.
Come here. But let's tell me which pocket because I'm going to come back England and that me they worry about.
But that I'm more for you one question too.
Yeah.
What do you have against your age?
Oh yeah, chip out, so what you say?
What do you have against man your age?
Yeah.
What you say?
DYEMA, born for your man for your age or a little bit beneath for your age. I see a young boy.
Yeah.
A young boy. Big up and said she no want no whole man. You understand?
But Papa, what me do with band like you me age now? For all me up.
Jesus Christ.
Crapper, what me do with Grandpa Lolly Crapper? Crapper, I do
not say wicked.
Papa, listen man, listen, talk too much, Papa. Heading to Young Street, I never asked my God all about yet.
Yeah, Papa, listen man.
You consider yourself as an old foot.
No, me not say me young.
So, oh, you want to call man your age old? I don't understand that.
Papa.
I can understand that. Well, I won't.
Papa.
So what is an old man? What is considered old man now?
Come here, Sika. You have a problem because me say forever 21 and under. Me not really go up.
Papa. Turn your lane, Papa. Young people settings.
You know, say
you young neither. Mama. She no consider you young neither. You are.
See how much you old?
I know
May I try ask you, what is old? What you consider an older man now?
Look like you're deaf. You me say forever 21 and under. So if you're over 21
and under. Oh no, hell no. Hell no, not me.
Well, you and me. Yeah, me
can't bring home my son right now. My son taller than most man. Don't kick down him blood clot. Hey,
that's why I don't like when they hold the car. Yes or no?
No, when they hold, come here, Sika.
DYEMA want her own way. DYEMA want her own way. That's why. She want her own way.
You understand? They don't really have no skills.
They build up them skills. If we never go take up man near to me age, close to it little bitish, you would get trick.
No, all of the man them lie.
Come here,
Me
come here,
just feel like,
Momo, come here. When I say,
I feel like man 40 are up, them just setting at them
When I
ways.
say young, what kind of old way? Some young boy, them no, they're not old way. You're brighty. Yeah, me can't know. Me have to listen, sit down, sit, boom, sit.
Yeah, no, all that 12 beacon, nobody my son age can give me an attack. You crazy? Hell no.
Business if I want to consider your son.
Hell no.
I see him say woman come over here and say, uncle, rapper, him all for sure. She say him can't do nothing.
She said uncle full of play talk.
Packy boy. Don't not mix up rapper with Packy boy. She and Packy boy was having a discussion. Don't mix up rapper with Packy boy.
Respect, Prince. Thank you, Prince.
Look at crapper now. You give crapper all of this and because him tired. Good level at attack.
Yeah, Damn, I got help. Me not do this with Uno.
Listen to you. Damn, you literally sprung out. Okay, you know I'm going to know him. Me that get tired of your car. Nah, shift. I'm going to ask Christ. That Christ don't sign a contract already.
Mommy see heart attack.
Yeah,
Hey, heart attack.
So we're going to heart attack, you know. Because we're seeing you know. We're going to heart attack.
You know my age, crapper. Crapper, you're 24-year-old.
Sis, just give.
We know everything I need to know.
This just give him show.
Yeah, but no,
I can't talk. Where the big people?
yeah, grown folks are talking.
Women, a young people setting, so you talk about big people.
I wish grown folks to talk about. I'm
Yeah, can be grown too. Me can't wait for me turn 40 or the fuck off. Next year be a 40 and nobody can give me no love. No, love me. The first picnic just gonna be 19. I'm gonna be 20. Me supposed to all. You know, my front big and the man them still a run me down. The one who just dead for me, he about 27 and I'm living at the world for the last 4 years. I'm like
young boy. Oh, you saying I like young boy?
I don't like younger guys. He was the first younger guy I spoke to. Because I was with him from he was 24 and he was mature. And my son was... My son was 11, 12 them time that when we meet him, something like that. Me not gonna bring... Me cannot bring the 20... Listen, allow me to move your blood clot. When me take off everything, me look young. When me take off my ear, you can't talk to me. You're too out of order. And then again, you see DYEMA, you see like woman with a age. Me tell everybody my blood clot age, because I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of it come out of my front.
You know me how much, mama?
You're probably what, 45?
I'm not so old still, but me look young at you.
Tell her grandma, tell her your age.
You're supposed to die, but you're not a picnic. A 5 my house, you're dead.
I mean, good one pick me, I'm right.
You're a picnic?
What do you?
But DYEMA, if you have one blood clot picnic, my house 5.
Mama, look at my mother, we are 60 yard. What picnic have you do with it?
DYEMA, I have 5 blood clot picnic in the United States of America.
Second to last, and let me show you my mom. Let me show you my mom. Let me show you my mom. Let me show you my mom.
When me turn 60, sir, come back.
Guys, 2 and not to catch a speed, guys.
You can't tell me my 5 blood clot in the America. You think it's easy for grow 5 blood clot in the America?
Look at my mom, and me are the second to last. You hear all me all?
How old are you, DYEMA? Because you still don't want to say your age.
If you don't know me age, you don't know nothing about me. Can't be age every day.
Me don't know your age.
Papa know me age.
I don't follow corrupted people.
We don't follow you big mouth, woman.
You're not supposed to cause so good me talk about that. Just start so good. I mean, so good long time.
Never leave no
alright, so me are you posting and talking, DYEMA. Me are so good long time. Remember say, Una Jamaica just start so good when Cartel put Lisa up on video. Una late.
Alright. Hey, who asked me to put me age in the comment section? Man, me black out your dirty blood clot.
Oh shit, somebody sure did come over here and say 43.
Stop the stream, guys. Stop up the stream, guys.
But mama, because me talk for me age every day.
I don't really follow anybody on the internet, DYEMA. To be honest with you, No, I go live and I post. This is the most
One
time I
more,
start
me
coming
love
over
bring on
TikTok
the
because of
age, you know.
him.
One more, me love
Me
bring on the
too.
age, because them are young girl. Them are young girl.
Well,
Sticker. Hear the ear back.
who you call him? Well,
I
who you
said
call
because
him?
of his sicker.
Because of him, who?
Because of
Sticker
babe.
now.
Because of
Sticker
him.
Because
now.
of babe. Because
No,
of babe. You feel better?
no babe.
You feel better? My husband. You feel better?
Papa,
No, no, that's it. So if you come
So
on
we
me.
can't go on with badness now?
Hold on there, sister. What
So
you
we
come
can't
and
go on
talk
with
about? What
badness.
you want to talk about? You know how long me I listen to you?
Hear
Yeah.
that?
How you call
Your
it?
name
But
on
yeah,
your
yeah, come
business.
and
I
talk
go call
about
Okay,
you
get
a
to
it.
the channel.
goddamn man.
Because of him,
Come on, Happy.
because of
Top
him.
the screen,
We
guys.
are
Top up the
compared him.
screen, guys. Top of the screen.
Don't do that.
You know me not like them some yeah. Diamond don't say that. Not gonna call your man where you just sign out him name. Boy, yeah.
That's why you see, the proper come here. You see, why you not take black people your business? Because it take and turn custody.
Yeah, yeah, my sister, yeah.
What
You can't
you
tell black people your business,
So,
go sis.
so we
Let's
so
see
you
what
are
they tell
saying
you.
so not saying gift now because sick over here bad me up. Okay. Okay.
Papa, that's why
Get
Jamaican
my
can't
side.
put it up. I just pinch them and tell them something. Them use it cuss you.
I true.
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 True. Jamaican
I
have
true.
like them have like verbally for a long time. As I tell them as a pinch, them go pinch back somebody. Now be a pinching game I go on.
I true.
And the boy look good enough, that's why the boy trick me no more. The boy look good.
No, so you really broke up with him now? You know me know him from long time? You know long me know him personally.
After all and know him, they bring them if you broke up with him. You're crazy, man.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I didn't see none of that.
Yeah,
I'll just be in my own little world. I didn't see none of that. But I really know him though. I really know
After
him.
all, me bring them. After all, me bring them mama when me fi broke up go.
Light and see, big up yourself, light
Oh,
and see.
you never
feel like
broke
somebody
up.
now, light and see.
Oh shit.
Light and
Them
see, me
class.
just feel like somebody.
Mama, why you made them
Me
call
just feel like
me?
somebody light and see. Big up yourself, light and see. Right there.